Hi. I think one area that I feel that I might need some working on is kind of getting the kids like staying focused and engaged with whatever curriculum or lesson that I'm giving them. Um, this past week, I've been giving presentations or helping with presentations of like kind of going over high school stuff for the kids, for the eighth graders, and then kind of telling them, explaining them what AG requirements are, and then just seeing how the lead counselor was pretty much doing it and keeping them in kind of in check. I guess kind of helped out, kind of like how I would do it, as far as maintaining, them looking at you and staying focused and um, like some of the things she did, it kind of like the take it in, take it out kind of situation, I guess, as a whole. And then like she kept them engaged by like having them use it Nearpod. I'm not familiar with it until recently. I like how it is. Again, it helps them get engaged and keeps them kind of in check and kind of again like a post assessment and stuff like that. Because what we did was pretty much I'll go over high school graduation requirements, kind of like the 230 credits they need, and kind of what classes they kind of can expect when they hit high school. And right after we did that, we pretty much, they had to answer like three questions, kind of like A, B, and C questionnaires. And for the most part, it worked. Like most of the kids all engage, and like we can see in live time what they're writing and who all performs and all that. So that's what I liked about that. Because the kids again were focused, and most of them really obtained the knowledge, which I was kind of happy and proud about. So that was pretty cool. And then again, I guess keeping them in kind of engaged and listening to you throughout like pretty much a whole hour, incentives. Maybe I can kind of come up with things like that. Um, we had like free like vouchers for Frosties at Wendy's. So of course, like all the kids made sure like they um, like and follow along and answered, because she gave them a question, kind of like in to see if they followed along throughout the whole thing, and most of the kids got it. I think one kid only was able to like get all what we wanted, without like hesitation, which was good. So that's what I guess I can kind of work on again, just kind of controlling the room. I'm having them engage and pretty much get what you want them to learn. As far as I guess today was like again AG requirements and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks.